The UN Resident Representative to the Gambia, Ms. Ndey Sarr, addressed a gathering at the Foni Federation to mark the International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation on Saturday, 7th February 2026. Organized by Women in Leadership and Liberation, WIL, in partnership with UNFPA, ChildFund, and the Catalan Agency for Development Cooperation, the event began with an opening ceremony, followed by a series of panel discussions on the practice. Here is an excerpt from the UN Country Representative's statement.
Assalamu alaikum. But good afternoon to our chiefs, Alcalo, all members of the community. We are really happy to be with you here today. And it was, we sat there for a couple of hours, but we didn't even feel like we were spending so many hours with you, because each and every one who spoke really touched our hearts. I'm standing here for UNFPA, but I'm also here with our partner, the the Catalan International Cooperation and Development. And Ima and Eva are part of the police force from the Catalan police. They were here because this is part of a project that we are spearheading with them through ChildFund and all these CSOs that were speaking today.
Akabal kontonna, akabe alkalul kontonna, abe chief kontonna, abal mumie kontonna tol men nata jam. Akabe sirin janne, kabini soma ne be sirin, but time o tare ma kalam ta kat muna saba kontanta bakel ananaja, aman time o fon kalam ta fura be sirin jan. Akwate bodo UNFPA, atele bodo ja tele be jang Gambia jang. Ani ñun mi yalan ko wolle ko fanan ko do manan ka na famodi la ibi janne mo fula inata janne ko kanyum programme o la me katu projet to commencer da mi yalan ko ay badi la doku la duma wol doku la be futala tol ma janne so to wol ñu projet ko men commencer ñun lebe o fan so aka contenta baki ala naja.
So we are taking away a lot of information that will be useful for the way forward. And first and foremost, we need to understand that in the Gambia, 51% of the population are women. What does it mean? You are more than the men, which means that your voice should be heard at all times.
Ako me aji abe ay safari jamaake safaro me alonko abotato lokuma kan wala kan ale ko mo men fujan e safari jamaake wo safaro bol tala puka asamba projet e sotoje ako ni aji be jam sidla o sidla tallul ni worwulo be muso ti gambe ja to muso lin to lesi ata kebol ti jam to munat nan to na kuma kan nyanta ka futa anyanta ka futa dama na kuma ha nyanta ka futa je.
And in English there's a proverb that says that a bird with one wing cannot fly. A bird with one wing cannot fly.
Ako yalo tuwabo la kan ko ani mani ko ka fa kuno me yanon ko dampan kilina ba yalo obuka tino ako kuno me yanon ko dampan kilina ba abuka tino.
Yes, which means that we are not going anywhere. I'm talking about with the chief now. We are not going anywhere if half of the population, actually more than half of the population, is not empowered and have rights to be full citizen. Am I not right?
Ako ni ajibe manta dulato andung akanyen karo ko manta dulato ha ni ajibe ko na tun na jang haymaroto Gambia be ala talanteo wul mala membe keri mala be fan sambala nyam yala wa samto ko na do ko manta dulato ko fabe abe to nyala fo kamba.
But the takeaways are a few. So first of all, I really appreciated the intergenerational dialogue. The fact that we had our elders, men, women, we had the young girls, the young boys, the older men, we had school children, everyone came, which means that, as they all said during the panel, it's everyone's responsibility to end FGM.
Akala kontano fo tata folo abe men folo wala ngay mobeji jamian ko mobele danu ni pour ka nyaka bay kebal bi janne kebal bi janne ki musu kebal bi janne dinol be janne kammaningol be janne hani school dinol mi an ko bitaka school be janne o ta yelo ko nyim ko mi an ko ta kontanta yelo ko mo bele dadu nyin kelo.